Please don't jump on me, buddy. Please don't jump on me. Sis, if it jumps on me, you got to get it as quickly as possible. I don't want to hurt it. These are considered an invasive species, but I love them. They're the huge Chinese praying mantis. And this is a male. So we will not be keeping him for the winter. We only keep the females because 99.8% of the time they are pregnant. And they will lay Uthaka's egg sacs all winter long until they die of old age. And we always find one in the fall. He's so pretty, but my phone doesn't want to focus on him. It'll focus the leaves and everything else. Oh, he's looking at you, sis.